Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In today's video, I would like to unbox one of the kits that I purchased from Michaels and also a few of my work in progress projects. If you're interested, stay with me. This kit is from the company Diamond Dots. Here it is, Diamond Art. And this is the picture of the cross. I can say that I'm was in love with the design of this picture of something, but I had $10 off coupon and it was expiring the day when I was purchasing it, and I needed to find something for myself to spend this $10 on. To tell you the truth, I didn't like any of the designs over there. I mean, there were some that I liked, but they cost like $70 and my $10 wouldn't really help much. I'm still waiting for them to be on sale. But I am thinking, since the holidays are coming, I might diamond paint it. I can do a few modifications to this kit and give it to our church as a Christmas gift. So let's open and see what comes inside the kit and how the canvas looks. As always, let's start with the canvas. And Diamond Dots canvas is of very good quality, you know, not woven polyester, just a regular polyester. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit, the size of 50 by 40 centimeters. This is a original picture, and I actually really like how the design looks. I thought that it would be horizontal, but apparently it's vertical. I mean, on the vice versa. I thought it would be vertical, but it appears to be horizontal. But I really like it. Looks pretty detailed. This kit contains 18 colors. Very nice printing. Very clear. And the picture itself looks nice. Now, let's look at the drills. To tell you the truth, I am actually surprised with the color of certain drills. Originally, I was gonna replace a few resin drills with AB color, but this kit comes with AB diamonds. Here they are, white. And although the majority of the colors, as you can see, are different shades of royal blue, dark blue, light blue, gray, there is one certain color, this one, that's a lot, like 2 full bags, which is light green. If you look at the design, you do not really see light green over here, right? But this color, number 15, is actually light green, and I think it will turn out marvelous. I'm not gonna replace it. I might add maybe blue ABs or maybe even crystals. I will leave the white AB color, of course, but I really want to see how the picture is gonna look completed with this color. It's gonna be really very interesting. So this is the design. Now, my work in progress projects. Beaded cross stitch kit doesn't move. It slowed down lately. I didn't really work on it lately, but looks pretty nice. And another kit from Diamond Dots, Walk Down Autumn Lane. I don't know, I didn't really do much, but it looks pixelated, maybe because of too confetti, although I do understand that it's too early to judge. I need to do at least the half of it and see, and we will see if the completed kit is gonna be detailed or pixelated. So this is it for today. Just wanted to share this beautiful design with you that I'm going to work on shortly, and just wanted to show you what you can expect in the future, to see what completed pictures you can see, the autumn from Thomas Kincaid, hopefully this one completed. And I also have a few kits that not really kits, Christmas ornaments, beaded cross stitch ornaments that I'm working on right now. As soon as I finish them, I will show you as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.